It is GTV Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Bloemfontein Celtic 1. Right, the gap is closing now to 4 points. I'm with two Sundowns fans. And that's the match to game. How do you feel about the game? It's 2 goals and of course also closing the gap to 4 points now. Are you happy?
Yeah, very happy. He came here very right. My problem referee and I win. But at least in Kulunkul na corner. But
you can also say good some players they were not willing to take corner kicks. Exactly. Really, just look at that. Good corner flag and then Ibegi Paula not willing to take the corner and a yellow card. Omunya 4 times. So you cannot blame the referee for that.
Yeah, but for that, my yellow card maybe 3-3. I think about Galagule game on Sunday. Yeah, I think that's the point. Yeah.
All right. When Aputiza, you are closing a gap to Kaizer Chiefs manager. You're getting closer and closer. Are you now starting to believe, okay, you can be able to lift the league for the 3rd time in a row in the country?
Yeah, league on if I win. At least you know we win 4 games in a row. Yeah.
All right. And then of course there's also the pressure. A lot of games and a lot of competitions. Nedbank, CAF Champions League, ABSA Premiership. The players are going to get tired very soon. Are you worried or are you happy with you have enough players and enough depth?
The more kita more we strong. Because we got game time. I was only basabapala. And Ronaldo player didn't see the win at game.
All right, the other matter as well, Kita Baya Mabue, Retsebauri is 23 years old, 24 years old. Agana Hanor Udinga pressure, Kana Katsila and Yeten Kayona inside there. I mean, the way in which you are putting pressure on him when he misses opportunities and then you are saying he must be substituted. I don't think he's a bad player. Ujunia Kanye, we spoke to him and he was saying he's not a bad player. We know, we love him, he's a very good player, but I don't think he needs what you guys did today.
No, there we were wrong. Actually, that guy is trying. According to me, who's strong more than Uvilagas?
Yes.
Yeah. Umuntu afana substitute Uvilagas. Mara coach, I don't know. Ukuti na wana. Mara we are try. Even who are corner we move makama ball and then. So I don't know. That boy, I don't see any problem with him because we are corner to pressurize even the defense. And it's just in Jagakori, but the more maybe even 1 goal who's override. The momentum is over back.
And we have to say congratulations to Hlompo Keka and a lovely free kick. Some people saw it coming. Mina Azang is going to score that goal from that point. What did you make of the technique and everything else that came with that goal?
I'm surprised. Yeah, serious. I'm being sure because most of the time when I'm Sundowns, I watch my chances are like I'm African one of pass and instead of Basha. But I like it the way Chiefs Dalangakon. If free kick, what serious? More free kick or corner kick, yes. Even from the halfway line. So what you have won. Corner is strength sabo Chiefs, but the Sundowns and strength are young Chabona one pass and even though, but at least we got a goal from that free kick.
There you go. All right, Coach Peter was praying for a small team in the Nedbank Cup. This weekend you have a small team, EVUT, Ival University of Technology. Kana ko kibona draw ya VUT. Kile kana kanaka Power Lines FC 24-0. What do you think is going to happen this time, this weekend with the VUT?
I don't know you heavy score.
Sure.
Yeah, Dinal Mata to Michela Chirinya Jela. Dinal Mata. Mariana Leona, it look over. The work one I'm going to look over was Gomaragua, the water Larnali sharp. The moral Larnali sharp. Lanya Milisha.
Lea Timilea Dalam fit. Le Val Vasit.
Yes.
This is an extra time.
Yeah.
Maybe Sunday I'm winning my penalty. Mara straight song, the way Jalanga corner.
Sure.
It's strongly team.
Sure.
Yeah, I know I favor Sundowns, but their team is strong.
Okay. Okrina, what do you have to say to Chiefs fans? You know, they are scared. They are seeing you guys coming. You were from a distance, and then now you're getting closer and closer. What's your message to them?
Bona bayazukuthi siyachenjana. Yabona. Bona itheme yawe first round, le second round yethu. Yeah. Bona ba benefitile is enough. Now isikhathi sethu. Bona bazozwela isikhathi uzobona let's say next week Saturday mabazodlala ne-Pirates thina zoba sidlala CAF masiceda nge-CAF bona bazoziwela thina masibuya then equal nabo only 1 point.